Common carp, suckers, and other rough fish are revered in some parts of the world, but in the United States they are largely underappreciated. In rivers, common carp and suckers, such as white suckers, red horse suckers, and quillback, lay along current breaks year-round, in both rock-bottom and mud-bottom pools, runs, and eddies behind dams, with the exception of mid-spring, where they move up small creeks or partial oxbows to spawn. In lakes after ice out, carp and suckers scatter and stage in wide, shallow, mud-bottom basins and at the base of rocky slopes. They are most aggressive in the spring and fall, where live bait presentations such as worms, crawfish, and aquatic insects fished along the bottom with slip-sinker rig variants are very productive. And all rough fish become so aggressive that they occasionally bite moving jigs or crankbaits. Winter is also a relatively productive time, especially for big, egg-laden rough fish. In summer, rough fish generally don't bite as well, but they will push into shallow eddies of flooding lake-river systems and feed aggressively in murky water. Live bait is a simple option for carp, but many dedicated carp fishermen use boilies and special rigs to their advantage. Carp will feed day and night, and they also will feed on corn and dough balls. Chumming the area the day before fishing can help concentrate carp into one area.